Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn any programming language, easy method. Begin by choosing a single language and a small project that excites you. Then set a clear goal for that project and break it into tiny tasks you can complete in an hour or less. And finally, schedule short daily practice sessions to build momentum and reinforce learning through repetition and hands-on problem solving. Start with fundamentals like syntax, variables, and data structures, then write tiny programs that use those concepts. Move quickly into a small project that solves a meaningful problem to you so motivation stays high. Regularly revisit and refactor your code to learn better patterns, test strategies, and debugging techniques while keeping your sessions short and focused to avoid burnout and maintain steady progress. Leverage tools like interactive REPL, coding playgrounds, and lightweight editors to get immediate feedback while you learn. Start using basic Git for every small project to track changes and build habits. Engage with a community or coding partner for accountability, code reviews, and problem swapping, and create a simple routine that blends study, building, and review to make progress predictable and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.